Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make photo collage on Canva apps. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your design and after that, go on bottom, click on elements and just type on the search bar grid. Okay, now click on see all grids. From here, select whatever grid you like. I'm going with this one. Now just go on upload section and upload the file over here. Upload the photos you like, you want in your collage. I'm just going to upload this one for example. As you can see, this is for example. You can upload your photos in here and your collage will be ready. So that's it for the video. That's how you can make photo collage on Canva. Thanks for watching.